Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Ramiwati and I'd like to start by thanking you all for being here and taking the time to listen to my presentation today. Before we dive into the topic, let me ask you to imagine this. You walk into a clothing store, you see a trendy shirt for just a few dollars. Without thinking much, you buy it. It's cheap, it's stylish, and makes you feel good. But pause for a moment. Have you ever wondered why it's so cheap? Who made it and what happens to it after you throw it away? That is the world of fast fashion, and today I'd like to talk to you about the serious environmental impact hiding behind our shopping habits. Let me share my screen to begin. As you can see from the title, I'll be discussing the impact of fast fashion on the environment. Fast fashion is the rapid mass production on cheap, trendy clothes. It's designed to make people buy more every season, every month, every week. But behind those love frees are high costs for the planet and for the people who make our clothes. In this talk, I'll explain three major issues caused by fast fashion. 1. Clothing waste. 2. Water as and pollution. And 3. And labor exploitation. And finally, I'll share a few simple actions we can take to help make fashion more sustainable. Let's start with the first issue, clothing waste. Let's begin with something we rarely think about: what happens to our clothes when we're done with them. Each year, the fashion industry produces around 92 million tons of textile waste, that's the equivalent of one garbage truck full of clothes every single second. Many of us wear an item only a few times before throwing it out, and unfortunately most of these clothes aren't recycled. They end up in landfill. Even worse, fast fashion items are often made from synthetic material like polyester, which can take hundreds of years to break down. So, that cheap shirt you threw away last year, it might still be sitting in a landfill long after we're gone. Next, let's look at another hidden cost of fast fashion: water and pollution. Water as and pollution. Water is essential for life, but fast fashion has an enormous amount of it. To make just one cotton shirt, it makes about 2,700 liters of water. That's how much water one person thinks in about 2.5 years. And it does stop there. The process of dyeing and finishing fabric often involves toxic chemicals. In many countries with weak environmental laws, the chemicals are dumped into rivers and streams. The result, polluted water that make ecosystems and communities with unsafe drinking water. Now, let's move on to our their major issue: labor exploitation. Fast fashion does just hurt the environment, it also harms people. In many garment factories, especially in countries like Bangladesh, Vietnam, and India, workers are paid less than $2 a day. They work long hours in unsafe conditions with little to no protection. And yes, in some cases, even children are involved in the production of the clothes we wear. We enjoy cheap thrills, but someone else is paying the true cost through suffering and exploitation. Now, let's talk about what we can do to help change this system. What can we do? What can we do? The good news is we are not powerless. Every choice we make as consumers and make a difference. Here are a few things we can do. First, buy favorite clothes but choose better quality and taste longer. Second, support ethical or sustainable fashion brands even if they cost a bit more. Third, consider shopping secondhand. It's affordable and eco-friendly. And lastly, do not recycle your clothes instead of throwing them away. Remember, every purchase is a vote for the kind of world we want to live in. So, to wrap up, fast fashion greatest enemies was faults our water system and rules of unfair labor practices. But we can all make a difference by choosing to be more thoughtful and responsible with our clothing choices. Let's choose quality things ever train, and sustainability over speed. Thank you so much for listening. Let's work together for a cleaner, fairer, and more sustainable future. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.